Thursday reading 11th June 2020 from the books of Acts. A great number believed and were converted to the Lord. The news of them came to the ears of the church in Jerusalem, and they sent Barnabas out to Antioch. There he was glad to see for himself that God has given grace, and he urged them all to remain faithful to the Lord with heartfelt devotion, for he was a good man, filled with the Holy Spirit and with faith, and a large number of people were won over the Lord. Barnabas then left for Tarsus to look for Saul, and when he found him, he brought him to Antioch. And it happened that they stayed together in that church a whole year, instructing a large number of people. It was at Antioch that the disciples were first called Christians. In the church at Antioch, the following were prophets and teachers: Barnabas, Simon called Niger, and Lucius of Cyrene, Manaen, who had been brought up with Herod the Tetrarch and Saul. One day, while they were offering worship to the Lord and keeping a fast, the Holy Spirit said, "I want Barnabas and Saul set apart from the work to which I have called them." So it was that after fasting and prayer, they laid their hands on them and sent them off. The Psalm. The Lord hath shown his salvation to the nations. The Lord hath shown his salvation to the nations. The Gospel reading from the book of Matthew chapter 10, 7 to 13. Jesus said to his apostles, "As you go, proclaim that the kingdom of heaven is close at hand. Cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse those suffering from virulent skin diseases, drive out devils. You received without charge, give without charge. Provide yourselves with no gold or silver, not even with coppers for your pursuits, with no haversack for the journey, or spare tunic or footwear or a staff, for the laborer deserves his keep. Whatever town or village you go into, seek out someone worthy and stay with him until you leave. As you enter his house, salute it, and if the house deserves it, may your peace come upon it. If it does not, may your peace come back to you." Word from the Lord. The reflection. Barnabas was an important figure in the early church, not because of his power and eloquence, but as the Acts of the Apostles testifies. He was a good man, full of the Holy Spirit and of faith. He was a constant companion to Paul in his missionary journeys. "Set apart for me Barnabas and Saul for the work to which I have called them," said the Holy Spirit. The qualities that made Barnabas a powerful influence in the early church are strong faith, goodness of heart, and being filled with the Holy Spirit. He and Paul, together with others, were truly living Christ bearers, whereby the early followers of Christ came to be called Christians. Do we really live and bear witness to Christ? Think.